There's a Faceless AI channel in the sleep history niche that's pulling in over $2,000 a month, and its oldest video is barely a year old. Its most popular upload has over 4 million views. New videos are getting thousands of views every single day. And here's the part that should get your attention. This guy uploads 2-hour-long videos, not 10 minutes, not 20, 2 full hours. Script, voiceover, visuals, editing, the whole production, and he does it consistently. Now, if you've ever tried to make long-form AI content, you already know how painful that is. You're stitching together dozens of short clips, fighting inconsistencies between scenes, spending hours just trying to make it feel like one video. Most people give up before they even finish one. But what if all of that, the scripting, the voiceover, the visuals, the full production, could be handled by a single tool, start to finish? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. A step-by-step method to replicate this kind of channel and get full long-form videos generated in one go without manually building a single thing. The first thing you need is strong video ideas. And instead of guessing, we're going to reverse engineer a channel that's already working. Take the Sleepless Historian channel link, paste it into Gemini, and run this prompt. Break down this channel. Gemini will give you a detailed analysis, the content style, the topics, the format, then follow up with, I want to start a channel like this. Give me my first 10 video ideas. They need to have viral potential and be genuinely interesting. You'll get 10 solid ideas built around a proven formula. Keep those open. We're going to use them in the next step. Now we go to the main tool, North Noir. This is an all-in-one AI video generator that can produce videos up to 20 hours long in a single generation. Click on Video Generation and you'll see 2 modes, Quick Generation and Detailed Settings. We want detailed settings because that's where you control everything. Click Create New Story. Take one of the titles Gemini gave you and paste it into the story title field. For the description, go back to Gemini, paste the title, and use this prompt. Write a short description of what this video will cover. Copy that into the Describe Story field. Now set the duration to 120 minutes. That's what these long-form history channels run. Set the language to English. For the AI model, select Claude Sonnet 4.6. Under Audio, pick your speaker. For this style of content, a clear, authoritative voice works best. In the visual configuration section, choose Image Generation. We're making a documentary-style video like Sleepless Historian, which runs on images, not video clips. If you want cinematic clips, the text-to-video option is there, but images keep costs lower and the style consistent. For the image quality model, I'm using Grok. It produces solid results. Make sure character consistency is turned on. That's non-negotiable for long videos. Without it, your characters will look different from scene to scene, and the whole thing falls apart. Scroll down to Video Configuration. Select Fire Flare for the effect. Then click Analyze. North Noir will now calculate how many tokens this video needs, the estimated length, and the generation time. Once you've reviewed everything and it looks right, click Start Generation. North Noir takes it from there. Script, voiceover, images, timing, assembly, everything. You don't touch anything until it's done. While that's generating, let's talk about the plans, because this matters. I'd recommend one of the 3 main plans, 40 million, 75 million, or 200 million tokens. A single 2-hour video like this costs roughly 17 million tokens to generate. So on the $200 plan, you're getting around 10 fully produced, ready-to-publish videos. That's a real production pipeline at a price point that makes sense for a channel like this. All right, the video is ready.
20 years of midnights had worn a groove in Edouard Morin's life, as surely as his boots had worn a faint, pale path into the marble of the Denon Wing corridor. And on this particular August night in 1911, with rain arriving early and the air still carrying the day's warmth like a held breath, he could not have said where the museum ended and his own body began.
And you can see exactly what the output looks like. Consistent visuals, narration that fits the pacing, background music that sets the right tone. This is a video you could post today. The North Noir link is in the description. If you have questions, drop them in the comments. I read all of them. And if you want a more detailed walkthrough of any part of this process, that video is on screen right now.